Today, I'm going to Universal Studios and you guys are going to come along with me. Let's go! Alright, so I'm at the park. I see the Despicable Me 4 poster. Anyway, let's transition to Nintendo World. Alright, so before I transition there, I'm at Vivo Italian Kitchen at Universal City Park. And I'm going to try the pizza. Tell me how good this looks. If you had this pizza, what would it? Tell me how would it? Tell me your answer in the comments below. Alright, so Nintendo's actually kind of delayed because of I have to do the Secret Life of Pets. Oh wait, there's Captain Snowball.
But that's just because it provides the
Hi, Snowball.
for my superhero activities. Also,
Let's take it closer.
it is little kids' room. You know,
Alright, so I'm taking a closer.
I mean, come on, look at you. Now you definitely got fleas, don't you? And that's cool, cause I got them too. So you can tell me.
Oh, look, there's a million clock over
Psych!
there.
I don't have fleas. That there was mind game.
Alright, so this is my first time actually on the ride. Woohoo! That's how I look as a dog. Wow. Oh my gosh, look!
That's so exciting. We're going to die, everyone.
It's back! Oh my god.
Senses were warned.
There's Snowball. I didn't know the name of this guy, but okay.
Check out my buddy cop. Yeah, a Friday
What's
road.
this?
You can go home now. You've officially seen it all.
It's trying to actually land on my foot.
I have to lose a single pup.
Don't think she's a giga cat.
You filthy bastard.
Oh my! Giga cat. Helicopter.
Wait. I love cats. Ow!
Oh no!
No. Oh, okay, good one, guys. Let me go.
Oh no, bro. Oh, there's fireworks. But there's Snowball again. Oh, that's what happened to Snowball.
Ladies and gentlemen, your journey has paused temporarily. Boxes will resume motion shortly.
What just happened? Well, now we can just look at Snowball getting fireworks.
Ladies and gentlemen, all vehicles will be resuming motion momentarily. Please remain seated with arms and legs inside the vehicle. Once again, all vehicles will be resuming motion momentarily. Please remain seated with arms and legs inside the vehicle.
Oh my. Fire! The present. Ah. Ah. Ah.
Can we take one home?
I got all of the
Mom, Dad, look!
I look fresh.
What do you say? You want to come home with us? Yes! I'm home today.
Well, my hair is all scrambled now. In my body tonight.
Having an owner is so much fun. But just
What up?
you must see lots of walks.
Look how soft your bed is.
Alright, there's a sleeping
You
dog.
love me. I just get
The
that
rapper's
toys.
still
That's all I do.
Alright, now this is the end. Now time for Super Nintendo World. Alright, so here it is, Nintendo World. I'm thinking we should first do Mario Kart. Wait, I think I already have 3 keys, so I already have 3 keys, so I probably should. What should I do? Should I do Bowser's Challenge? Or should I do Bowser Jr.'s Challenge? I think I should do Mario Kart 4 first. Fun fact, did you know that if you do this, alrighty, Mario coming, come on. Oh, there's Mario. That's what happens if you press this. Mario comes. Alright, so I'm first starting off with a Bowser Jr. Paintings of Bowser himself. Alright, so here's the golden mushroom. It's beautiful. Seriously, there's a swamp thing right there, and yeah, it's like they want us to make like TikToks. All right, so the instructions are now.
Up ahead is your final showdown with Bowser Jr.
Okay.
When bob-ombs are tossed at you, use your arms to swat them away.
All right.
Got it? Swat bob-ombs away. When bullet bills fly toward you, duck to dodge them.
Okay.
Don't forget, duck to dodge bullet bills. Jump to hit a question mark and get a power.
Yahoo!
When you get a fire flower, swing your arms to throw fireballs.
Bro's firebending.
Swing your arms to throw fireballs. Now go forth, defeat Bowser Jr., and reclaim the golden mushroom. Good luck, heroes.
Okay. Anyway, I gotta stop recording now. Okay. Transition in 3, 2, 1. There's another Mario sign, and then it makes Bowser. All right, so I'm gonna just watch it. All right, so now it's time for Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge. All right, so here's all the Mario Kart stuff. We got, hey Mario, blah 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 blah. Mario the dog.
Mario. Luigi.
Comment down below what you think is which team you think is going to win. Team Mario or Team Bowser?
Oh, Bowser, I think. What do you think?
Mario.
I think Luigi, maybe. Does Luigi have a team?
No. Luigi is part of Team Mario.
Woo! Look at this.
Hey bro, what up? Fist bump. Looks like this is the Koopaling's closet, I think. There's shovels, boots which might fit Bowser Jr., and a jacket towel, whatever that is. Ooh, there's a launcher. I wonder how hot this is. There's Bowser oil over here. Alright, so here it is. Mario Kart wheel, a shell, Oreo. Oh, hi, brother. Camera, that's a wrap. Mario Kart television. I can feel like I could film a music video here. Bro, this looks so cool. Team Mario. Mario, Luigi, Bog, Yoshi. There's a real. Oh, hi, Toads. Alright, so here are the racing suits. Yahoo! Okay. There's the mushroom right there. Alright. There's the toast. There's also a gift right over there, but what does it have? Alright, I just came back from the Mario Kart ride. I also stopped by the One-Up Factory and I got this awesome chocolate bar. It's the milk chocolate Mario chocolate bar. Alright, I took a piece. I'm going to show you one. Alright, so now I'm going to the Simpsons ride. I haven't been there in like a long time, so I'm going to finally ride it again. Alright, so here I am, the Simpsons ride. I'm inside, just need to get to the gate. And then, yeah. And we transition to the gate. And here I am, the gate.
I'm in the best shape I've ever. Oh, heart attack! Been in my life. I feel like a 20-year-old. Master Man, you're a dumb. I'll wait outside.
Oh, you can watch Maggie.
Maggie.
Enjoy each other's nonsense. You don't say. Well, back in my day, people never had to come.
Alright, what's this? Which one is that? Itchy or Scratchy? There's a dog there with a young Krusty. Yeah, there's a one. Let's see what happens. Whoa! A guinea.
Wow, we're the first people to ever ride this baby. We're like that space guy who did that moon thing.
Neil Armstrong?
That's exactly what I.
Chewbacca.
Bro.
Now enjoy the Ferris wheel. Or whatever this is.
Oh no.
What do you want?
What is best served coke? Is it ice cream?
No, red
Zombie.
We're on vacation. Can't you kill me on a work day? Simpsons? Get in that ride.
Forget it, Bob. We'll never.
I waited in line an hour for this thing and I'm riding it. Now hop in.
Bro.
Now the last thing you'll ever see.
Ah.
Itchy and Scratchy and safe pleasant experience. When the doors open, move immediately into the vehicle boarding station. Walk, don't run. Proceed to the left and right side of the vehicle. We ask that you place all large or fragile items, including cameras and video recorders, against the wall outside the vehicle, and hold on to all loose articles. Take your seats in an orderly fashion, and please watch your head as you enter the vehicle. If you have difficulty dealing with small spaces, make the Krusty crew member aware of this before entering the vehicle. Once you are seated, please pull down on the
Little
left.
mouse on the prairie.
Please remain seated and face forward while the vehicle is in motion. Keep your arms and legs clear of the closing doors and inside the vehicle at all times. No still or motion picture photography of any kind is allowed.
Looks like I'm not gonna record
Thanks
the
for your
ride.
attention. Enjoy the ride.
Alright, so before the video ends, I just got the large donut from and if you don't remember, This donut was also in the Universal Studios short video I made, so go check that out. Anyway, I'm gonna taste test this right now. Alrighty, so here's a piece of the donut. I'm gonna try it right now. Alright. You want some? That's actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually the best donut I've ever had. Alright, that's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to, comment down below if I should do more vlogs like this. Anyway, adios, guys, and I will see you in the next one.